We're on Percents 101, problem number 4, and the question is, Joel's employer withholds $1,536 of Joel's gross yearly salary of $9,600. What percent of Joel's income is withheld? So to answer this question, we need to figure out what the fraction of Joel's salary is actually being withheld from his yearly salary. And we're given the information of what's withheld and the total salary, so we can set up a fraction. Now, before I get into the problem, let me illustrate this with a simpler problem using some smaller numbers. So imagine if Joel's salary was just, let's say, $2, and let's say the withholdings were $1. So what I'd want to do to figure out the percentage is figure out the fraction, meaning what is the part over the whole. So the part I'm interested here is how much is being withheld. Well, we know that's just $1. So I'll go ahead and write that down at the top. What's the whole? The whole is the overall salary that he's making, which is in this case just 2. So that fraction is just 1/2. So now I have a fraction. How do I turn this into a percent? Well, a percent can come from a fraction by just multiplying the fraction times 100%. So in this case, 1 divided by 2 is 0.5, and multiplied by 100, we just get 50%. So that's a simple example using some smaller numbers. We're going to do the exact same thing with the numbers that we're given. So the actual problem says that Joel's salary is $9,600, and the withholdings are $1,536. So again, what I'm going to do is set up my fraction. Again, it's a part over whole. So the part is again the withholdings, 1536, and the whole is just the salary, 9,600. And again, we're going to multiply by 100. This whole expression here is our answer. Now you might be wondering, how do I do all this math, right? Well, first thing you should notice is that the number up and the ones on the bottom can cancel out. So this 0 and this 0 can cancel with this 0 and this 0. And so we're left with the following: 1536 divided by 96. Well, this is just a simple division problem, so we can go ahead and just do the long division. 96 into 1536. 96 goes into 153 one time. Subtract the 96, you get 57. And bring down the 6. 96 goes into 576, actually, 6 times perfectly. So if I subtract this out, I get a 0 remainder. So what's my final answer? Well, it's just this guy right here, 16%.